Hey everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create 3D walls in MSCAD. To do that, I'm just going to go to the Draw 3D tab, and you can see I have my Walls toolbar. So if I change this to exterior wall, let's say, all I have to do is click somewhere and drag, and you can see it's making me a wall in 3D. Now I can build a bunch of these just by clicking, and they'll automatically connect to each other, and I can snap to my end by just mousing along over here. Now if I wanted to put some interior walls, I just change the type of wall to interior wall, and I can build those out as well. Now you can see if I go to the View tab and I go to my constrained orbit and I pan around in 3D, you can see that these walls are in fact 3D objects and they're standing up vertically. That's all for today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and you can like the video. If you have any questions, you can either leave a comment down below or you can give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. If you'd like to see videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel just by clicking the subscribe button there. And if you want to be notified of all our future content, go ahead and click the little bell. You can always give us a call for any questions you have, or you can visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.